Hey everyone, welcome to Parallax. Among trillions and trillions of stars in the universe, our Sun, being brighter than about 90% of them, is at the very center of our solar system. Every planet, every asteroid, every comet revolves around it. We and millions of other species on our planet owe our life to it. But what if it was to be replaced by a much more massive star like Betelgeuse? Betelgeuse is one of the biggest and brightest stars known to the mankind. It is the 10th brightest star in the night sky and is visible to the naked eye in the Orion constellation. It is about 640 light years away from the Earth and is at the very end of its life, even though it is only 10 million years old, compared to our Sun, which is about 6 billion years old and is yet to live another 5 billion. Because the bigger the star, the faster it exhausts its fuel and the faster it dies. And Betelgeuse is seriously big. Compared to our Sun, it is about 950 times more massive. For comparison, the diameter of Mars' orbit around the Sun is 328 times the Sun's diameter. Betelgeuse is also about 11 times more massive than the star. See that tiny dot to the left of the bigger one? Yeah, that one. It is our Sun, and the other one is Betelgeuse. That's how much bigger it is than Sun. But what if it was to replace it? What would happen to the Earth? Well, to put it simply, there will be no Earth. Betelgeuse is so massive that it would extend up to the asteroid belt, engulfing Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, the asteroid belt, and anything that comes in its way. And bingo, there goes our solar system. Well, at least the inner solar system. But the remaining planets will not be very lucky either. Jupiter will not be anything like it is right now. It would be a glowing ball of fire, orbiting its star at a very small distance. It will expand because of the extreme heat. The gases it's made of will expand. Saturn will instantly lose its majestic ring, as most of its ring is made of ice, which will vaporize owing to the extreme heat from the star, and the planet itself would end up exactly like Jupiter did, becoming glowing fireball and expanding in volume. Uranus will also have the same fate, and so will Neptune. Pluto and all the other objects in the Kepler belt, owing to the extreme heat from the star, will start vaporizing, because most of them are made of ice. But the thing is that we do not need to worry about anything like this, because this is never going to happen. It was just a gentle reminder that the universe is just too big to consider us. We are really insignificant. Our entire solar system could get obliterated and the universe wouldn't even notice. And by the way, thanks for watching.